I got lucky there. First muffler video. I just seen the video of us putting an X pipe together like it's back in the 90s. Man, that 387 run good. Seems like we got a little bit of a belt slip somewhere as I hear it creaking a little bit, but 387 stroker, 351 winter stock block, stock pistons, stock rods, $300 crankshaft. Let's go take it for a ride, have a little bit of fun. Chambers or old Mac flow pass, really good. Pulls in every gear, baby. Every gear. Let's go. Good third gear flow. Not bad at all. We'll go down here and check the motor. I seem to get a little bit of puff smoke, but higher RPM rev shifts, so. Bad at all. Looks like we're popping off a little bit of oil out of here. These dipsticks are just junk. They don't clip in properly, so we'll have to clean this mess up. Runs like a clock though. Got a little bit of an issue too with our exhaust. We gotta fix it when we get back. It's starting to drag a little bit. So we got some adjustments we need to make. We'll probably just start hard piping stuff. But first we gotta listen to these Mac mufflers sound off. Ain't bad for original paint, but it definitely shows its scratches. The band clamps definitely did what they had to do, but like I said, they were only temporary to begin with, just to kind of see where the exhaust was going to be. We're going to leave the band clamps in the front of the muffler and the rear of the muffler, just so we can swap them like we've been talking about doing. Next set we're going to do is the Flowmaster set, which you get that iconic Flowmaster sound. This is the old school Mac 3-inch flow chambers, flow path, whatever you want to call them. So I think they sound really good. I think these are one of my favorite mufflers I've ever heard. So we're going to continue to adjust that exhaust, get it all tweaked up nice, and fix our little bit of a dipstick problem. That's just one of them See that? I didn't even. I got lucky there. That's exactly how, now that just happened in front of me, that's exactly what happens when you bend up your cowl panel. The wind blows your hood back, flops it back, and then it's done. Got a little lucky right there, I think. But anyways, we got a couple of things we got to do to the car. Got a couple adjustments we got to make, but I like where we're headed. If you guys enjoy this sort of content, leave me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing. Outside of that, I just appreciate you watching. Thanks for joining us on a ride along.